If you're new to the NFT space, it won't take you very long to realize just how easy it is to spend hours and hours looking at NFTs on OpenSea. My name is DigitalGrl, and today I'll be showing you how to create your own watch list. A watch list can help you to keep tabs on your favorite NFT projects and saves you from having to pull them up manually each and every time, which can be kind of time consuming. So let's say you're a big Gutter Cat Gang fan and you'd like to keep track of their individual collections. We can go ahead and start pulling them up one by one by searching for them. And I'll continue working through the different species by opening them up in different tabs. So you can't really see, but I am opening them up in new tabs so that I have them all open. So we've got cats, rats, dogs, and pigeons. So I'm going to head on back to cats. And to add them to our watch list, all we have to do is click on the little star icon here. As you can see, it says Add to Watch List. You may get a signature request pop up. If you do, it's okay to go ahead and sign that. And there we have it. The cats have been added to our watch list. I'll go ahead and move on to the next species, which is rats, and do the same thing. Again, at the bottom, we see here, added to watch list. Moving on to dogs. And then last but not least, we have the pigeons. So far, we have all 4 gutter species, but I would like to add in the juices and clones as well. So again, we'll go up to the top and search for them. As always, it's important to make sure that you are selecting the correct project or collection. And of course, the blue check mark can help us to determine whether or not the account has been verified. So we'll go ahead and click on Gutter Juices. Again, I'm going to add it to the watch list. And then last but not least, I'm going to grab the clones. We'll go ahead and hit the little star icon again. And now to view our watch list, we can simply hover over our profile picture in the top right-hand corner and hit Watch List. And there you have it. We've got a watch list in OpenSea filled with gutter assets that we'd like to keep tabs on. Now, if for some reason you'd like to remove one of the collections from your watch list, you can click on the 3 little dots here and click Remove from Watch List. And as part of this OpenSea tutorial, I did use all Gutter Cat Gang NFTs, but you can add NFTs from any project that you'd like. So let's say you'd also like to keep tabs on another project. You can certainly search for it in the top search bar and add it to your watch list as well. So let's say we wanted to add mutants to our watch list. We'll simply click on that star again. Head on back to our watch list and you'll see that the Mutant 8 Yacht Club has been added as well. If you found this OpenSea tutorial helpful, definitely check out nftsweep.io for more. We have an NFT calendar, written tutorials, and other resources that you can check out. Thanks for watching.